Ever seen a pancake bigger than your head? This eggy street crepe stuffed with herbs and crunch, and it's folded in seconds. Stick around. Is that fruit coated in glass? Hawthorn berries drenched in molten sugar. One bite, the shell explodes. Hear it pop.
What kind of ice cream did you order? Mango ice cream. Mango ice cream. 13 yuan. And 8 yuan for mashed potatoes. 21 yuan in total. What is this? Jiaozhi mashed potatoes. On the first day in Chengdu, I took my son to eat on the street. This is the surrounding of Yulin market. Do you need to take away? No. Just take it away. It just fell out. This is a street stall. It sells Jiaozhi mashed potatoes. 8 yuan for one. Jujube juice. Yes, jujube juice. What's in it? There are carrots, enoki mushrooms, and dried tofu. I thought it was brown sugar. It's not brown sugar. It's salty and delicious. Do you have chicken mouth? No. What is this? This is stir-fried minced meat with cabbage, and this is green onion, coriander, gurgan. Okay? Put it in. How about chili oil? How much? Put more chili oil. Put it all in. Is that normal? Put more. Our chili oil is very fragrant. It's okay. Put more. Do you need to take away? Just eat it. Can you put more chili oil in? Yes. You can't eat it if it's too spicy. Okay, thank you. Is it ready? Okay, you can dig a spoon and try it. I was not full of stir-fried dishes and barbecue just now. I saw the first snack I haven't eaten, so I took it. Try it, added mashed potatoes. In fact, it is a bit like tofu. There is jirgin in it, spicy taste. Jirgin is quite fresh. A few steps away, there is a small stall selling glutinous rice. The owner is a lady, very enthusiastic. The price of vegetarian glutinous rice is 5 yuan. It looks like it's almost sold out. I dare not eat. It's really a bit of a sense of guilt to eat this in the middle of the night, but I can't help it. Look at the dishes. Are the dishes finished? The rice is over. The rice is almost over. Anyway, it's enough for you to eat. Anyway, there are some dishes. What kind of dish is this? That is 3 spice beans. Delicious. Do you want to add a little more? Add an egg. 1 egg and a piece of bacon. This is 1 yuan. Add eggs, bacon, and sausages are all 1 yuan. Add 2 yuan. This is a real set. It's 7 yuan a box. Go ahead. Here's a barbecue. This barbecue used to be very popular. I don't know why the business is cold now. A few steps away, I saw a stall selling egg red cake. This used to be a famous snack in Sichuan and Chengdu. It feels like the cake in Xi'an. Relatively common. This is made on the spot. 3 to 4 RMB for each. The recipe is similar to the pancake. It's like a pancake bun. You just need to make a dough and put all the ingredients in it. There are a few people in line. Let's see how this is made. The egg yolk is burnt. It needs to be brightened a little bit. This amount is not large. It is suitable for children. There is egg liquid in the batter of the egg yolk. You can smell the egg fragrance during the process of making. It's too hot. It's burnt. It's burnt. It's gone. There are a lot of flavors you can order too, and 1 for RMB. I didn't add the seasoning. You can taste it. Is that oil? Oil, strawberry, and chocolate? Is this chocolate? Yes, I don't dare to eat too much at night. I just want one, in fact. We are not very interested in desserts. If there's a chopped pepper and spicy filling, I guess I'll take one. It's light in weight and pretty hot. It's burnt on the outside. But you can also taste the egg fragrance. It's just that the sauce inside is a little sweet. There are a few more. This one is in line. It looks like there are 30 years of cooperation. This one is alive. Roasted rabbit is freshly roasted. This kind of roasted rabbit is not big when I came here 67 years ago. Roasted rabbit is more than 40 RMB now. It's almost 70. Half of it is 36 RMB aisle. Take it with me later. The server tore the freshly roasted rabbit, then mix all kinds of seasonings. Rabbit is really cute. The spicy flavor is more fragrant. 15 RMB for a rabbit. I don't want to eat it. Go back and see if there is anything delicious on the road. I saw another roadside stall. This one costs 12 RMB if you don't add food. It's 10 RMB. My son doesn't agree with me. Suddenly it rained. So I took a taxi. The place to get off is at the entrance of the circle. Take a look at the best high school in Sichuan. It's past 12 o'clock in the morning. It's very lively on the street. There are many restaurants and people are eating the nightlife. Is really rich. Go back to the hotel and eat the snacks we packed. Eat this glutinous rice. First I ate this kind of glutinous rice in Guizhou. I don't know if it's a Sichuan snack. The rice is oily and soft. There are some vegetables in the middle, duck egg yolk and sausage. For my son, he's a little reluctant to eat. It's quite tiring to eat out all day. This glutinous rice is enough. For the two of us, then eat the roasted rabbit. This rabbit is all torn in two. Large pieces. There are some chopped green onion, sesame and various peppers. Roasted rabbit is basically lean. It's dry and chewy like eating beef jerky. There are some bones in it, so be careful when you eat. There are also dried chilies and peanuts. The more you chew, the more fragrant. I secretly bought a rabbit leg for my son, 15 yuan. Spicy. Take it out at this time. It's a surprise for my son. This rabbit leg has a lot of meat, so it's easy to eat. Half a rabbit is finished in a while. Finally, eat up this glutinous rice. There are a lot of vegetables in the middle of the glutinous rice. There are peas, peanuts, garlic beans, and kimchi. With these vegetables, it's not so greasy. What's more surprising is that there's a little millet pepper in it. This suits our tastes now. We are satisfied. Continue shopping tomorrow morning.